Hello, dear my students, good morning. How are you? I hope you are okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine. I am Kem Jakaria Alom, senior teacher, Police Training School and College, Bogura. This is my second online class. I took a class on online, that was first class. I discussed about the transformation of sentence, that means changing sentence, in the previous class. Today I am going to take another second class on online about changing sentence. Please look at the board. I hope all of you will participate in online class program. Here some rules. Please follow attentively. Assertive to negative. That means this is changing sentence without changing meaning. Assertive sentence will be negative sentence or affirmative to negative. This is the system. By following the rule, you may correct your answer. Only God alone person, whenever subject will be God and Allah person, negative will be by none but. That means none but is necessary to make such sentence negative whenever subject will be God, Allah or person. Only Allah loves all, make it negative. I also discussed about the shorter form of negative in the previous class. Neg means negative. This is the shorter form of negative. Only Allah loves all. Here, none but Allah loves all. That means only will be out by none but. So, this is negative answer. Only the rich are happy. Here, rich is the personal subject. So, none but is necessary to make negative sentence. Only the rich are happy, make it negative. None but the rich are happy. Only, this is another rule. Subject, matter, thing, animals. Such sentence will be negative by nothing but. Only English is a global language, make it negative. Here English is a subject. So nothing but will be necessary to make negative without changing meaning. Nothing but English is a global language. Only health is wealth. Nothing but health is wealth. This is another rule. Only, how only will be negative in this rule? When subject will be, when any word will be used after only the word which are countable, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. That means at the time of countable, sentence will be negative by not more than or not less than. He is 1d10, make it negative. he is not more than 10. He is not more than 10 or not less than 10. That means not more than or not less than. Any words may use to make negative. When only will be added by countable word, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the rule. He is only 10, make it negative. He is not more than 10 or he is not less than 10. Both are correct. This is another rule, alone. Alone will be negative by non-but. Non-but will be used in the sentence before subject, such as God alone can love her, make it negative. Alone will be you out and non-but will be added before subject. Non-but God can love her. Another rule, please follow. Must or has to. This is assertive and affirmative form. It will be out by can't but or can't help plus be plus ing. You must do the work, make it negative. You must will be out by cannot but. You cannot but or can't but do the work. Or you cannot help doing the work. You must do the work. I hope you have to understand, try to realize. You must do the work, make it negative. Must will be out by cannot but or cannot help plus doing. You cannot but do the work. You cannot help doing the work. Both are correct. He has to finish the work, make it negative. Here has to will be out, cannot but or cannot help plus ing. He has to finish the work, make it negative. He can't but finish the work, or he can't help finishing the work. This is another rules. Assertive affirmative form. It will be negative without changing meaning. Everybody, everyone. At the time of negative, nobody or no one can be used. Nobody or no one. Please look at the board. Everybody likes flowers. You have to remember, everybody or everyone, both words will be out, nobody or no one, at the time of making negative sentence. But opposite words or antonyms are necessary. Such sentence will be negative by following another rules. There is nobody plus but plus V plus extension. Here V means verb. Everybody likes flowers. Make it negative. Everybody will be out by nobody. Nobody likes will be opposite word. That means dislikes. Nobody dislikes flowers, or there is nobody but likes flowers. everyone should be sincere, make it negative. Everyone will be out by nobody or no one. No one or nobody should be. Sincere will be antonym. That means opposite word is necessary. Insincere. Nobody should be insincere or no one should be insincere. Both are correct. This is another rule. Every plus noun, whenever any subject will every plus noun, at the time of negative, there is nobody, that means there is no plus noun is necessary. But you have to use but before verb. Here he is verb. Every mother loves her child. Here every plus mother, mother is noun. Every will be out at the time of making negative, there is no. There is no mother. That means every will be out, but there is no. Noun will be added. Here mother is noun. There is no mother, but is necessary to use before verb. There is no mother but loves her child. Every student respects his teachers. There is no student but respects his teachers. It is clear that everybody, everywhere, both will be out by using nobody or none or no one. That means nobody, no one or none. Any word may use to make negative form, but opposite words or antonyms are necessary to make negative sentence. This is the rules of everybody, everyone. Really, assertive sentence is of two kinds. One is affirmative and second is negative. Affirmative form will be by using everybody or everyone, and negative form will be by using nobody, no one or none. So, you should try carefully to know about these rules to make negative form in such way. Dear students, you know degree is a part of changing sentence. Now I am going to discuss about degree. Degree is really the comparison of adjective. Degree is of three kinds. One is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. When adjective will be one syllable, that means monosyllable, er will be added at the end of adjective to make comparative degree, and est will be added to make superlative degree. So, it is clear that degree is of three kinds: positive, comparative and superlative. Small, this is one syllable, that means monosyllable. To make comparative, er will be added with adjective, monosyllable, small. Small, smaller, est is necessary to make superlative degree. Smallest, tall, taller, tallest. More syllable. Whenever any adjective will be more syllable, more or most are necessary to make comparative and superlative. Here useful, this is disyllable, that means more syllables. Useful, here syllables are two. Useful, to make comparative, more will be used before useful, and most is necessary to make superlative degree. Useful, that means useful, comparative more useful, superlative most useful. Beautiful, this is traceable, comparative more beautiful, superlative most beautiful. Here is some example on the board. Superlative degree, he is the oldest man. Here oldest is the symbol of superlative degree. That means the will be used before superlative degree. Est is the symbol of superlative degree. Comparative, he is older than any other man. To make comparative degree, then any other is necessary before noun. Positive, no other. No other man is as old as he. Here, old, older, oldest, positive, comparative and superlative. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. To make comparative, she is more beautiful than any other girl in the class. Positive, no other girl in the class is as beautiful as she. So, to make degree, such forms are necessary to study by the textbook English grammar. This is the part of changing sentence or transformation. Dear students, I hope all of you have to try carefully and punctually to know about grammar. Every one of you must have to prepare well by practicing more and more for your better preparation. Thank you.